Stop working harder and start working smarter. Now, we don't need to spend weeks on a single scene or struggle with those annoying flickering faces anymore. Not when Anijam AI can do the heavy lifting in literally seconds. And the best part, you can actually start with free credits. So I'm talking studio quality results on a $0 budget. Honestly, this is the tool that finally resolves the character consistency issue in AI generated videos. No more morphing faces or weird glitches, but a smooth, stable, studio quality animation that stays perfect in every single shot. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 4 simple steps to create your own professional cartoon from scratch, completely beginner friendly, and perfect for anyone who wants that high-end look without the high-end price tag. Look, we've all been there. You spend hours trying to animate something and your character's face keeps changing every frame, or the style completely shifts halfway through. It's literally the most frustrating thing ever. But Anijam AI solves this with its advanced character consistency technology that keeps your animations looking professional from start to finish. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create studio quality cartoons that look like they cost thousands to produce, maintain perfect character consistency throughout your entire project, and export professional animations ready for any platform. I've got the link to Anijam in the description below, so let's dive right in. Step 1, accessing Anijam and crafting your vision. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, setting up your creative foundation. When I first logged into Anijam, the interface literally blew my mind. I was expecting some complicated software, but it's super intuitive and beginner friendly. First, we start by accessing your Anijam account. Head to the platform and log into your account. You can also create your account by clicking on Start for Free and using your Google account or email. Then you'll see this clean, organized workspace. Look at this chat section right here. It's a total game changer because you can just drop your cartoon plot or inspiration and watch it turn your vision into reality in seconds. So, for example, I will write something simple like this. An old house slowly falls apart, dust covering everything inside. Outside, a cat curls up by the door, waiting. Footsteps never come, the lights never turn on, but it stays, guarding memories that no longer exist. You can add a reference image by clicking on the add icon, and then you can drag and drop your image. Once we're finished, we can hit the generate icon. Here's what most people don't know. Anijam actually gives you 100 free credits every single day. That means you can create high-end studio quality animation without spending a single dime, making it the ultimate game changer for anyone starting with a $0 budget. The anticipation is building because next we're going to turn this vision into actual character designs that stay consistent throughout your entire animation. Step 2, crafting outline and concepts. Now here comes my most exciting part, watching your idea come to life. When I hit the Generate Concepts button, the AI created this absolutely perfect character and object design in under 30 seconds. I literally gasped when I saw how detailed and professional it looked. Now, you'll be directed to the main creation page. Keep an eye on the right side of your screen. That's your AI agent. You can actually see it processing your prompts in real time, working its magic to turn ideas into a structured production plan. After the AI has processed our prompt, we can adjust the settings based on our needs. We can select audience age, platform, aspect ratio, and audio mode. I will select kids and YouTube as the platform. Next, I'll pick 16:9 and voiceover for audio mode. After that, we can adjust the duration. Then, click on confirm. The AI will create the story outline in less than 10 seconds along with the scene details. Next, we can hit style design. The AI will recommend a style that matches our story. You can also click style library to see all options. After that, we continue by clicking on concept design. Here's what most people don't know: you can actually create a custom style. Just upload a reference image and Anijam will build a unique look for your cartoon while maintaining perfect character consistency. It's the best way to make your content stand out. But wait until you see how we turn these static characters into moving, talking, animated scenes. That's where things get really incredible. Step 3, generating the scenes. Now here comes my totally obsessed part, bringing everything to life with actual animation. When I clicked generate all at once, the AI generated this smooth professional animation that looked like it came straight from a major studio. I literally couldn't believe this was AI generated. First, we can continue to click on the AI director mode and Dance 2.0. Click conform. Then the AI will create the video segment along with duration and visual description. After that, we can click on Generate All at Once. The AI will automatically generate all scenes in less than 5 minutes. Once it's finished, we can review each scene that shows up on our canvas. If a scene isn't 100% what you imagined, you don't have to start over. Just use the instruction box to tweak the lighting or the camera angle. Here's a total game changer most people miss. You can easily track the process by clicking on the to-do list. It's basically your mission control, which shows you exactly which steps are finished, from the outline to the final concept, so you never lose track of your progress. Get ready, because the final step is where we polish everything and create that professional studio quality export that'll make people think you hired a whole animation team. Step 4, final editing and exporting. Now here comes my mind-blowing part, the professional finishing touches that make your cartoon look absolutely incredible. When I applied these final polish techniques, my animation went from good to literally studio quality. I was super proud of the final result. First, we can click on the timeline. This will help us to adjust timing and make sure it's fast-paced. Next, we can click on the video. Then on the left side of our screen, we can select captions to add text in our video. Now let's head over to properties to give our video that professional edge. Under the basic menu, we have full control to adjust the position, resize, opacity, or even rotate our clips to get that perfect framing. If you need to tweak your audio levels, you can easily find the volume slider under the video menu right here. To add dynamic movement, go to animations. You can simply select a segment and choose from the available entry, exit, or animation options. For the final aesthetic touch, you can apply various cinematic filters to match your story's mood. Once we're finished with editing, we can click on Advanced Export. Choose the resolution. I always go with 1080p for the best quality. Then we can select the highest FPS, use a 10 megabits per second video bitrate, and use the main codec. Then hit Start Export. The export process takes just a few minutes, and you'll have a professional cartoon ready for YouTube, social media, or any platform you want. Here's a total game changer most people miss. Don't let your scenes drag on. Even if the AI generates a 5-second clip, try splitting it and keeping only the most action-packed 2 or 3 seconds. Fast-paced cuts are literally the secret to keeping your audience hooked and making your cartoon feel high energy, just like a real professional studio production. Your cartoon is now ready to impress everyone and compete with professional studio work. Let's talk about real numbers for a second. If you hired a professional animation studio for this kind of work, you're looking at anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 per minute of animation. If you tried to learn traditional animation software like After Effects or Maya, you'd need months or even years to get these results. With Anijam AI, you're getting studio quality animations for less than your monthly coffee budget. I know what you're thinking, but what if I'm not creative enough? Listen, creativity is a skill you develop, not something you're born with. What if the AI doesn't understand my vision? The platform is designed to interpret natural language, so just describe what you see in your head. What if my animations don't look professional? Anijam's consistency technology literally ensures professional results every time. What if I waste my time? Trust me, the hours you'll save on manual animating makes this tool a total no-brainer. Here's what you're really getting: immediate results that impress clients and audiences, the ability to create content that stands out on social media, potential income from animation services or content creation, and the creative freedom to bring any idea to life without technical limitations. So here's what I need you to do right now. Click that link in the description below to get started with Anijam AI. Join thousands of creators who are already making professional cartoons without the professional price tag. And definitely subscribe to this channel, because I'm constantly sharing the latest AI tools and techniques that are changing the creative game. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. The future of animation is here, and it's literally in your hands. Stop dreaming about creating amazing cartoons and start making them today.